Special thanks to Gold Series by Pantene for sponsoring this video. Hi guys, okay, so today we're going to be talking about split ends. It's something that I experience and a lot of people experience, especially being natural. If you've watched previous videos of mine, you know that right now I am in like a transitioning stage, just simply because my hair was damaged before. So by my hair being damaged, I have been experiencing a lot of split ends. I did have heat damage, and now I'm transitioning. My hair is about almost halfway through the whole transitioning stage, so I still have another half of my hair that I have to take care of and that I have to treat. So today I am going to be talking about the Gold Series Split Ends treatment. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is from Pantene, and the split ends treatment is infused with argan oil. So in this treatment you'll get 4 small containers. This is the size of the container, but the little container goes a long way because you're really only saturating the ends of your hair and then you rinse it out. So I did go a little bit more higher up on the ends, and I only used about a tube and a half for that. So this is what it's looking like. I know a lot of the times you hear that if you cut off your hair, then your hair is going to grow back faster. That is not the case at all. So in this video I will be talking more in depth about the split ends treatment, and also just debunking the myth of that cutting your hair off makes your hair grow faster, giving you a few educational tips and tricks and things like that on how I am taking care of my hair. Right now my hair is in like a braid out. I do show you guys how I got like this textured ponytail. So my hair is just not, it's in that weird stage. If you've ever transitioned, it's in that weird stage of it looks cute, but at the same time it's like I can still see the difference between my natural curl pattern coming in and then that damaged portion at the bottom. So as you know, like a lot of the times your damaged portion just kind of looks limp and different things like that. And one of my favorite go-tos during the summertime and just in general is a high puff. So I usually do my high puffs with wash and goes, but wash and goes are just not working for me right now at the moment. So with that being said, I had to figure out a way that I can still achieve the style that I wanted, and it still look nice, since I can't do it with a wash and go. And for me, a braid out is the best. Now for me, like in my braid out there's so many different textures, but I really like it about the ponytail. Like the ponytail looks as natural as possible considering the state of everything going on with my hair. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this braid out high puff, as well as learn more about Pantene's Gold Series split end treatment, and just debunking that myth of you cutting your hair will make your hair grow back faster, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, okay, so today I'm going to be partnering with Gold Series from Pantene. I'm going to be using a lot of items from their line, but specifically focusing in on their split end treatment. So the cool thing about this line is that Pantene has a group of scientists that has been studying African ancestry here for over 10 years. One thing that they have found, or a few things that they have found, is that because of our distinctive twists and curves, it makes it a little bit challenging to deliver moisture, shine, and strength. There's more friction in the hair because of the naturally tight curls, making it even harder to deliver moisture, shine, and strength. Even when relaxed, the hair can tend to be fragile and dry due to the chemical modification of the hair. As a result, your hair can feel dry, rough, and look dull, and have a high degree of breakage if not moisturized and strengthened against damage. So I don't know if you guys remember, but back in February I suffered from heat damage. So I got my hair flat ironed and I pretty much lost a lot of my curl pattern, which now makes me more susceptible to getting split ends, which can cause breakage. So I know you guys have heard this so many times, and I definitely used to think this, that trimming your hair will help your hair grow faster. That is just not the case. Trimming your hair will not make your hair grow faster, but it will break less. As a result, women can realize more length in their hair, giving them the impression that their hair is growing faster.
Since everything is going on with Corona, I have not been able to go to a salon and get my hair trimmed as often as I want to. Because of my damage and everything, I would have wanted to go at least every 3 to 6 months. So I've been giving myself little trims here and there, but also because of that, now that I have been using the Pantene split end treatment, it helps seal those ends to prevent splitting and ultimate breakage. So if you're someone that's not comfortable with getting your hair trimmed at home or doing it yourself and you want to wait for the salon, this is not a fix it. It's just pretty much that in between, which a lot of us are in right now. So the thing about this product is you don't have to apply it to all of your hair. You take such a small amount. I think those, I know that you guys see the tubes. The tubes are a little small, but a little goes a long way. Like I only use for my entire head about a tube and a half. So you take it, I poured it out on my hand, and I put it on my ends, as you can see here, and then just worked my way up to like the middle of my shaft. That way that if I have any high split ends, I can cover that. I doubt that I have any split ends from my tip to root, so that's why you don't need to go all the way up there. Just pretty much feeling where your hair, you can really feel split ends. So just feeling where your hair feels kind of rough and dry and applying it there. So you leave it on for about, I left mine on for 15 minutes. It says to leave it on for 5 to 7, but the extra minutes didn't hurt. And then I rinsed my hair out, and this is the result. Honestly, my hair felt super soft. Right now I'm trying to just take extra care of my hair because, like I said, I'm in that stage of growing it out. And as you can see, like right now I'm like halfway there. You can see where my hair is like super curly at the top, and then the bottom, my curls are really limp. So that's just the process of me growing my hair out, and I refuse to cut it. But like I said before, because of everything, my hair is super easy to get damaged. So right now for this braid out, I'm going to be using the Gold Series buttercream. This was so good. Like if you guys want something that's going to give you a lot of definition for your braid outs, I would definitely recommend this. I also use their curl, it's like a curl jelly, but it's I would definitely use it for like a wash and go, but for me, I kind of used it in replace of like a gel. So that was the cool thing about that. You can definitely use whichever one that you want, but the curl defining pudding, which is what I'm using right now, and showing you on the screen, it definitely kind of activates and works as a gel. It has a really light texture to it, so it's not going to weigh your hair down. But my hair felt super moisturized as I was applying it, and it didn't leave any like white residue or anything in my hair. So as you can see, like you can see kind of those stringy straight pieces as my hair is kind of drying in this moment. So I'm using that pudding to because it's kind of wet, to kind of like dampen my hair, because I didn't want to just keep applying water, because I knew that I was going to sleep after this, but I didn't want to wake up. I have a tendency when I do braid outs to wake up and my hair is still kind of damp. I knew that I wouldn't be wearing my hair as just a regular braid out right now, but more so because I wanted to put my hair in a puff, which is why I really wanted to focus in on those ends. Wearing your hair out, even if you just wear it in a regular braid out or a high puff, you still want to focus in and make sure that your ends are looking good and not raggedy, because the more that your ends look bad, the more that you'll be able to see, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm pretty much just doing a braid out, just kind of trying to make like or mimic a wash and go puff that I would normally do on my hair. But since I can't do that, I'm just putting braids in my hair. So yeah, for the rest of this portion of the video, I'm just going to put braids in my hair. I think altogether, I may have had like 13 braids altogether. Went to sleep and woke up the next day. Hi guys, okay, so this is the next day and I'm just taking down my hair. My hair felt super moisturized. It was definitely defined. I knew that I didn't want to wear my hair down just because here in Chicago it was super humid and my hair would have just turned into a big old puff by the end of the day. So right there you can see me saying like ooh because of the definition, but like it was so defined and I was like whoa, I think I found a new product combo that I like. But ultimately I knew that I wanted to wear a high puff because it was like I want to say almost 90 this day, so I wanted my hair out of the way and just something really cute and simple. So yeah, I did apply just a little bit of oil on my hair, using their oil. It's super lightweight. You can't really, honestly, it comes out thicker than what it actually feels once you rub it all together and everything like that. So yeah, it feels super nice. My hair was definitely defined. It felt good. It smelled good. But yeah, it really looks really bomb. And I think that like once the humidity calms down here in Chicago, I'll definitely try this combination out again just to be able to wear my braid out without being able to, without like worrying about it turning into a big old poof ball by the next day.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so right now I'm taking one of those big headbands that I've cut in half and I'm going to wrap it around my hair twice. I'm not going to pull it super tight just because I don't want it to be really tight on my head where I have a headache at the end of the day. I'm actually not going to even tie it in the back. I'm just going to take a bobby pin and secure it that way. I find that when I do this, I'm able to get that big puff. I know sometimes when I pull it super tight, it gives me a tiny puff, and I don't know about you guys, but I love a really big poofy puff when I'm doing this on my hair. So yeah, it gives me it allows me to give myself the desired shape that I want. And then I'm also going to go in with the Gold Series Edge Tamer. When I tell you that this stuff was bomb, it was bomb, and I'm not just saying it. I know sometimes when you use an edge tamer, it can turn greasy or turn white. This did not do any of that. My hair stayed in place the entire night, and I didn't have to worry about my edges being poofy. I didn't have to worry about any of that. My hair stayed the entire time. I love it. I've definitely used a bunch of it already. So right now I'm going in with my pick, and I'm just picking it out a little bit more because, like I said, I like a really big poofy puff. Overall, I'm super satisfied with the look that it gave me. It gave me that textured ponytail look since I can't do a wash and go. Overall, the Gold Series by Pantene products were bomb, and I'm not just saying that, really. Like, they were so good, especially if you're in a transitioning stage like I am. I would definitely recommend it, and I even see myself using it going forward once my hair has grown out to my desire, to the way that I desire for it to look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you to Gold Series by Pantene for sponsoring this video. I hope that it was informative and you guys learned something. I love you guys, and thanks for watching.